Take the toilet out and everything else is on the floor. And what I do is I turn the water supply off, flush it, hold the flapper up, and get all that water out. And we're still going to leak water. Disconnect the supply line to the bottom of the toilet. Now I'm going to get wrenches, take those bolts off. If I have to, I'll cut them. And I'll get an old rag, put it inside the tub, towel or something, and I'll put the toilet in here, rock it back and forth, and get the water out of it. If I try to carry it, very high odds that the water is inside the trap of this. Can you zoom in here? Come over here with me. The water will stay inside the trap here, and it will come out as I'm carrying it. So if I put it here on a rag, I can rock it back and forth, knock all the water out, and then whenever I put it back in, no problems. Next, whenever I get to the toilet, I'll be taking off the door because that will end up in my way. So we'll get with you when we're what the next step is.